Good day, guys. I hope you're good. So in this question is solve for x. We've got x bracket of 5x minus 3 close bracket equal to 1. Yeah, very simple and basic. You do that only another 0. If we had 0 here, you're going to say x is equal to 0 or 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then you solve for x. Great deal. But now we have 1. You cannot do that. You cannot equate x to 1, 5x minus 3 to 1. You are going to get it wrong. You must only be left with 0 on one side. So our aim is to have 0 on one side. Before I can equate the product to 0 whatsoever, I need to be left with 0 on one side. Please be left with 0 on one side only before you can equate anything there. So how can I be left with 0 on one side? I need to remove these brackets first. For me to remove this one, so that this one can come to the left, I need to remove this bracket and look for like terms. That's what I'm going to do. So now, since right now I have x outside the bracket, I'm going to multiply this x by 5x. So x multiplied by 5x, x multiplied by negative 3. So this x, and then we have invisible 1 here. So it will be 1 times 5, keep going, 5. X times x, keep going, x squared. Same basis, you add exponents. And just like 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. X times x is x. I hope we get it. Then this x again. This 1 multiplied by 3. Keep going. Minus 3. Then this x times the invisible 1 here. X. Minus 3. Then this 1. In the bracket, I can transpose it to the left. Plus 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Then you solve for x. You solve for x. And this is a quadratic equation. It has got 3 terms. Ax squared minus bx minus c equal to 0. If you have the equation like this one, use quadratic equation to simplify, to solve for x. Very basic, simple and basic. You only apply quadratic equation if and only if you have got 0 on the other side. That's when you're going to apply quadratic equation, or that's when you're going to say x is equal to 0, 5x minus 3 is equal to 0 if you had only 0 on one side. Therefore, use quadratic equation here. X is equal to negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then here I just say negative 3 out a b c b minus, what is my b? Negative 3 minus 3 plus or minus square root of, what is my b? Negative 3 negative 3 squared, negative 3 squared minus 4. What is my a? 5 4 times 5 I close the bracket. What is my c? Sig negative 1, my constant, negative 1. And here, all divided by all divided by 2 multiplied by, this is my a, 5. Therefore, x is equals to, you're going to have two solutions here because of plus or minus there. You put that in the calculator, don't stress about anything. Fraction minus bracket negative 3 close bracket, I will say plus square root of bracket negative 3 close bracket squared minus 4 bracket 5 close bracket open bracket negative 1 close bracket. You take your cursor to the bottom or your denominator, and you're gonna have 2 bracket 5 close bracket. So for plus I got 0.84. You're gonna say or here. So where in you have put in positive more now you're gonna put in negative there. So just remove your cursor where you see positive outside the square root sign. You just put in minus sign there. Then your answer will be negative 0.24. This is my final answer for this solution. Thank you very much, guys.